Hello guys, welcome to episode 1 of our vlog here in the studio with me, ShayDanielle. I'm really excited to start this vlog. I haven't vlogged in a long time. I haven't been on YouTube in a long time, but I used to love vlogging. So for those of you who don't know who I am, I'm a mom and a wife and a cosmetic tattoo artist, and I'm here in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. And we just opened up our new studio. So for those of you who know who I am, hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. We're gonna be posting lots of vlogs in the upcoming year, and we're really excited to be doing that because this is how I like to connect with you guys. I like talking to you and I like showing you little bits and pieces of my life, and I'm in the studio. So let's start with that. I'll kind of show you guys around. I'll take you on a better tour than this in a little bit, but yeah, it's super exciting. Like, we just opened up, we've been open for about a month now, and we built it from scratch. So we bought this unit ourselves, we purchased it, which is really exciting. And when we got it, it was literally a cement block that we had to design and create and build out, and it cost a pretty penny, but we're finally here and we're operating, we're open for business. And that is the door notification system that we installed this morning. This is Cass.
Hello.
Oh, you can't see her, hold on. There she is.
Hi.
Cass is my everything. Cass does everything for me. She's been with us for just over a year now, I think, Cass?
Yeah, I think just over a year full time.
And yeah, so we're gonna take you guys along for this crazy ride of our life here in the studio and have some like fun lifestyle stuff and client stuff. So if you are a permanent makeup artist, I think you're gonna enjoy this series because you're gonna get lots of tips and tricks and behind the scenes look at what it's like to be an entrepreneur, what it's like to run your own permanent makeup business. We also have an online training academy as well. You guys are gonna see all of it. We've got crazy kids that come in the studio, my 2 girls, my husband works with me. So yeah, stay tuned for more fun. Good morning, everyone. Another day here at the studio. Good morning. Hey guys, okay, so we're setting up for an Instagram live that I'm doing with the AAM. I'm going live in just a couple minutes, 1 minute. And yeah, we're just talking about me, essentially. And we're gonna be doing an event with the AAM this February. There is the PMU Summit that's happening in California, and I'm a virtual speaker. So this is just promotional stuff that we're basically doing right now, so yeah. I just did an interview for the AAM. I did a live, Instagram live. Do you like the mirror? Do you see the mirror?
Yes, it's for it too.
Mom's just getting to work. We got this new mirror that finally came in. Nice to have a mirror like right here so clients can check their brows out while they're cashing out over here. Yeah, Cass is in the back. Anyways, I thought I would show you guys some of the cool work that I did this week. I did an areola. I'm gonna put it right over here somewhere so you guys can see. I love doing areola work like so much. It's really rewarding. So a lot of the clients that we see for areola, they've gone through breast cancer, they've had a mastectomy, they've in most cases had like reconstruction done. So typically the surgeon will take a flap of skin from the stomach and recreate the breast mound. And sometimes it's completely flat, in which case we have to make the illusion, make the 3-dimensional tattoo look so real and realistic, like it's protruding from the skin. So this is one that I did earlier this week. I've actually done a few this week. And also I wanted to show you guys some tiny tattoos that I've done this week. So they're picking up in the studio quite a bit. I'm doing them on my days off, my days off. And these are some of the ones that I did this week. So yeah, lots of unique cases this week, lots of fun with clients here in the studio. Okay, I'm asking Mom if she likes my shoes because she's always quite honest. Yes.
I love your shoes. They'll be great for Disney.
I like them more than yours. Lindsay just got here. All of us are in the studio today. All right, what are we doing here, ladies? Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so new service that we're gonna be offering in the studio. Lindsay's gonna be doing piercing. And she has these cute little guys here that she gets to pierce today. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm totally gonna record some of this because it's gonna be fun. Oh my gosh, okay, so these are all, oh, I'm pumped. Like, look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's like opal and like diamond. Lindsay wants to show us these.
I just really wanted to show off all of these beautiful.
Oh my god.
I don't even know what they are.
They're like, yeah. So we got our package in the mail and I trusted these two to order all of the jewelry. I'm like, you guys have good taste, like order whatever you think. And then the package came to my house and this was the first thing that I opened. And I was like, what in God's name did they order? Like, look at this, look at this. Like, who? And then as I dug deeper into the package, oh look, we have like snake eyes. And this one's the best, this one's the best. It's like, if you want a diamond stud, but not an actual diamond, we have an image of a diamond. Anyways, this is like the company obviously sent us some freebies of like the stuff that doesn't sell, I'm gonna guess. But this was the first thing I opened and I was like, what did I do by letting them do this? But no, it was, they actually got some really, really cute stuff. This was just an added bonus that we really didn't ask for or want at all. What are we doing here, Lindsay? We got Lindsay here practicing our new service that we're adding in 2023. We're gonna put a second earring in here. Like there. Sorry. I love how you're apologizing to the ear. You did it!
I did it! Look how cute! Just wait till this whole thing has jewels.
Good morning, guys. It is bring your husband to work day. This is said husband. Blair actually works from home most of the time. But I'd say, I don't know, 1 or 2 days a week you come into the studio, would you say?
I'd say so. Every once in a while I have to go in and whip these gals into shape. Just kidding.
Make your appearance. Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning.
No, I'm showing my outfit of the day.
No, I'm showing my outfit.
Okay, no. So my outfit of the day. Maeve actually picked it out, my 5-year-old. She was like, can I please pick out your outfit today, Mom? I was like, okay. I said, I want comfy, casual. I feel like she did a pretty decent job, actually. So I ended up wearing it. It's cute, right? Very monochromatic. It's what? I know, it's one of those skinny mirrors, I feel. Makes you look skinny. Hi, good morning. Okay, so they're making fun of the desk right now because this is how it typically looks. Like it's always a mess like this. And I don't care, guys. Like I'm like, you get the raw on YouTube. You get to see it all. But this is, I mean, this is pretty standard for me.
It's not just here either.
This is what it looks like most days. Like there's like just crap everywhere.
But it's not just here, Shay. I know you wanted this place to make it feel like you're at home. And so that is like, you've got it because the island the island in our kitchen at home.
Yeah, it looks like this too.
Looks like this.
What about my bathroom though? My bathroom is the worst.
Too. It's a beautiful thing how clutter gives birth to clutter.
Yeah. Okay, Cass is just building out this really cute ad that we're going to be running because we do have an in-person tiny tattoo training happening March 6th to 8th. So yeah, if any of you guys watching this want to come and hang out in the studio with us and learn, hit us up. But yeah, really good work, Cass. I like it.
Thank you.
So cute. Okay, guys, that's it for episode 1. Thanks for hanging out with us. I've got some more clients. Lindsay's working on some permanent jewelry over here, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.